In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're a Pipedrive admin or someone who manages your company's account, adding teammates is quick and straightforward. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your company's Pipedrive workspace and that you have permission to manage users. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need to ask an admin to grant you access. Start on any screen in Pipedrive. Look to the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click that to open the account menu. In that menu, choose the option labeled Manage Users. This takes you to the place where you can view who's already in your workspace and invite new people. Once you're on the Manage Users page, go to the top right and click the Add User button. A window will open where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Type in the work email for each person you'd like to add to your Pipedrive company workspace. Take a moment to double-check spelling. A small typo can send an invite to the wrong place or cause delays. After you add their emails, go ahead and send the invitations. Pipedrive will immediately email each person an invite. If they already have a Pipedrive account under that email, they'll be prompted to connect to your company's workspace. If they don't have an account yet, the message will guide them to create one first and then join. Either way, they'll be taken through the steps they need, so you don't have to walk them through setup. On your end, that's it. As soon as they accept the invitation, they'll appear in your company workspace and can start collaborating with your team. If someone doesn't receive the email right away, remind them to check their spam or promotions folder and confirm you used their correct work email. It also helps to give them a heads up so they know to look for the invite. To recap, click your profile icon in the top right, select Manage Users, then hit Add User at the top right and enter their email addresses. Pipedrive sends the invitations automatically, and your teammates join by connecting an existing account or creating one if they're new. That's all you need to add users to Pipedrive quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to share it with your team so everyone can stay in sync.